Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to add search terms to Google Ads. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, go to this ads section and select a ad from here and go to the ad group section. Now click on this audiences, keywords and content section. Now go to the search keywords option. Here you can see all of your search keywords you searched previously. You can easily find the search keywords from here, and it is the actual search terms of Google Ads, and you can see your searched keywords from here. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.